Look around, Nichols. Every failed invention and science project of my life is in this room. A can from my old tomato sauce scheme. The decapitated head of my Shrew-bot. A dinosaur egg from when we went back in time.
Who could forget that classic adventure? Hey, what's this?
Is that Zippie? My first robot! Wow, this takes me back! I used to be so full of hope back then.
You know what I do when I start to feel down?
No, what?
I have no idea. I feel great all the time. What a silly little robot. You can't even talk good like me do.
No, you don't! Zippie's circuitry is so simple, he can only communicate through Morse code. Wait a blip, I've got it!
But while you do have a unique look, I wouldn't say you have it, per se.
Not that. Morse code! We can use it to send messages to the other rooms! And come on, I have it! Now hand me that wrench! It's gone. Everything I've ever built. Destroyed.
Not everything.
Zippie! Oh, thanks, Knuffles! I really owe you one! Anything you want, you got it!
Well, you could refund our service fees on those Koalapalooza tickets.
Tell you what, how about 4% off your next purchase? Not to be combined with any other offer.
Done and done.